So Sam Altman, about 6 weeks ago, said that ChatGPT was a horrible product. Now, this was before GPT-4 came out, and so what did he mean by that? And also, I agree, but for very different reasons. I'm going to share with you those reasons in this video, along with give you kind of a solution to that, or at least an upcoming solution. So basically, I think he's saying that it's a horrible product because it's not always accurate, it's down sometimes, and this was also when they were on GPT 3.5, and that it was not really designed to be used in this way, so they put it out there like that. And I tend to agree. I actually think, but also I think with regards to these specific things, I don't think it's really the end of the world. The downtime is a bit of an issue. GPT-4 significantly improved over GPT 3.5. It is frustrating to have it down for a long time or not be able to see your history of your conversations. But I think there's quite a bit more that's wrong with ChatGPT that I haven't really seen anybody else talk about, and I'm going to talk about it in this video. Let's actually go to here and see what I mean by that. So I would basically say that the software built here is extremely not user-friendly. There's no organization. There's too much copying and pasting. I hear people say that to me a lot. There's no searching through conversations. There's no sharing conversations other than like crude screenshots. You can't invite people into your conversations. You can't mix in images and text. I know that GPT-4 is supposed to be multimodal, but that's just reading images. It's not actually putting out images. You can't select conversations. So what I can do is I can clear conversations and just delete them all. But I don't think that's very reasonable. I mean, that's useful to have, but I'd like to be able to like select a bunch of these and then click delete. Instead, I have to select each individual one and delete it like that. So, you can't archive. There's no comments. So if you're in a discussion, you can't like put a comment that's like almost like a note or like a discussion with somebody else. So what I did was I set out to build software that connects into OpenAI and other models and mixes them all together in one software and hopefully solves all of these problems. So for example, a hierarchical organization of notes so that you can kind of have like, okay, let's say health, math, business or whatever, and then you can kind of, sometimes you're working on health and sometimes you're working on math, et cetera, et cetera. But also maybe you remember a couple weeks ago you had a conversation that you thought was good and you want to find it. So being able to search for that is, you have to go down here and you have to just click show more. Show more. I'm kind of surprised they haven't improved with it, but this is an opportunity, I think. And then sharing actually I think would be really big. I think that we are working on something that should be ready next week, about April 11th, Tuesday, where you'll actually be able to share and invite other people into your conversation so you can both have kind of a singular conversation. I think that's pretty cool and pretty unique. You want to be able to archive things as well. This is really useful for like if there's something that you want to keep around but you don't really want it in front of you anytime soon, but you want to be able to find it later. I think that's really useful. And then again, having people comment on the conversations I think would be really useful. So stay tuned if that sounds good to you. I'll be releasing some information on that over the coming week and shooting some videos on that, and we'll kind of go from there. Thanks. Like this video if you like it. Subscribe if you want to get beta access to this new software that I think will make it way, way better to use ChatGPT or to use OpenAI's AI model. It'll make it a lot more efficient and productive. And then, yeah, I think that's what you can expect. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.